Thereafter, I privilege to invite Prime Minister Emeritus Amama Mbabazi
Omukasheshekera izuba omubiri gw'omugenzi Stephen Kakuru Bamwanga gwahika aha kanisa ya All Saints na Kasero okubaasa okushabirwa omurundo gwa muhero.
Thereafter, Honorable David Bahati and his family. May I ask Mrs. Maureen Kakuru and the children.
Abanyabuzare hamwe n'abanyamukago babasa kuteka ubumuri aha mubiri ogwo mugenzi nkakabonera ko kumusibura.
May I ask and as they do so,
nabwanyuma habaho kumushabira kandi okushaboko kwayebemberwaho Bishop wa Kampala Reverend Bishop Frederick Jackson Bagwa. Nabwanyuma abanyabuzare hamwe n'abanyamukago bebembirwe muri ishe nyina hamwe n'omukazi we bagamba ha mugenzi Kakuru nko muntu birorye manzi.
Thank you for the support rendered to send Kakuru off gracefully. To Noella, Kato, Big T, Maxine, a big thank you. Thank you for being second parents to the boys. Thank you for loving Kakuru, for never giving up on him.
So I was coming out of the dining to go and put on shoes. My son Kato calls me and he says, are you alone? I said, why? I said, I'm in Imbarara, you know very well I'm with your mother. I said, Mama, if you are with mommy, you step aside. So I got worried. I said, why? So I stepped aside. He said, I have bad news. I said, which bad news? I said, Kakuru is dead.
More than twice. We would talk in the morning, laugh in the evening, quarrel in the morning, quarrel in the evening. But we talked every day. If there is one word I can use to describe Marvin Kakuru, it's endurance. The moment Kakuru woke up in the morning, he did not stop until he achieved something. Whether he achieved nothing, the next day he woke up again and tried again. And God blessed Kakuru with all of us.
Wabirehe nganzi y'ihanga Right Honorable Mama Mbabazi nawe yagamba ha mugenzi ngo ihanga lyaferwa omuntu obire naza kuba omuhendo.
We gather with heavy hearts because losing someone we love is never easy. It is even more painful when death comes unexpectedly, as you heard the Moor say, and at such a young age, leaving behind so much promise and so many cherished dreams.
We ori omuhezi wa speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa omukugamba kwe yayereka obusaso bw'amaani ahabw'ekeegi okurugwaho omwana wabo.
For me, I don't usually calculate one's life from a perspective of length, but it is from a perspective of the mark and contribution they've made to society. Yesu akafaine emyaka 32 owita okara impact ye owita ariyo mushiza nibamweta kitashaya akafaine emyaka 91 tukamumanyira okwiba embuzi. So we mark ye yasigire no kwiba embuzi. So kuyafire twaruhukwa ngecyanga Yesu yafaina 32 nati nitchimuri. So mark wari ya Marvin emyaka yaferaho okareba abantu abaryaha na contribution yeye nitsima munonga kandi jangu he has lived a much better life than some people who even reached 100 and his impact has been great.
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano